Alright, today I want to do a quick review, talk to you about these solar powered chlorine floating ducks for your swimming pool. As you can see, it's got a little solar panel on it here. This one looks pretty cool. It'll light up in the middle of the night if it gets charged up during the day. But the way they work is you just take the top off and then you fill it with these 3-inch round chlorine tablets, and then it'll fill with water and the chlorine tablets will get dispersed into your pool. Lasts with 6 or 8 tablets in it. It lasts 2 or 3 days and does a good job. You can also see that if you turn it and rotate it, you can have it smaller and not as much air or water will circulate through it, so not as much chlorine will get dispersed. It'll disperse it a little bit slower over time. But once again, these little ducks are really cool. We call this guy Fabio. So if you get one, call him Fabio. Fabio the duck. But product you need for your outdoor pool, definitely recommend it.